Beautiful people. Boy, it's a great morning. It's a good morning. Let's see here. This Discord, share a screen. These fine folks. There we go. Turn the sound up a little bit. Let's get all proper. Hello. Hello. Here they come. Oh. Got me howling. Oh. Let's see. Well, it's Friday, September 8th. Wow. Wow. My dad's birthday in 3 days. Yeah, September 11th. What a birthday, right? Woo. Pretty historical event. Let's see here. Fortunately, he passed away 5 years ago. It's okay. Love you, Dad. Let's see. What are we doing here? First, I got to sling a good morning in the chat here. Oh, yeah. That's right. All right. We got the VEPS up. We tuned in, tapped in. Everybody turned on. What are we doing? What's up, Zen Tap?
Tuned in and dropped out.
Wee.
Tuned in and dropped out, man.
Oh, all right. Whoa, what is happening here? Pull my monitor down a little bit. There we go.
Much mic madness happening here. Crazy chaos corner.
Crazy chaos corner, Mike Madness.
That's right. Fun Friday. Factoids.
Fun
friends.
Friday. Factoids with friends. That's our stream today. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. What's Dixie doing here overnight? Yeah, coming down, testing those freaking resistance levels on the macro, bouncing right off the weekly. These are resistance levels, but they will flip support when you get above them. Dixie was having trouble. It's been bouncing off of them now. Look out. Let's take a peek at the chart real quick, though. Dixie's been just hovering around 105. And, you go up on the 2-day and you see why. Pretty sure it's the 2-day. Sitting right at that freaking reverse Fisher. Is it 2-day? Yes, it is 2-day. Is Dixie going to try to get up above this bad boy? Because it is definitely struggling. It is a struggling. Let me see here. I'm going to outlier to the downside. That is so interesting. The Z-scores are up. The Z-scores up. Now, locally, no bear div. It's coming in from back here below reverse wave trend. So, yeah, I'm not even going to go with that. I don't like it. I have a feeling if I change up the reverse or the returns oscillator length, yeah, I'm going to see something a little different. Let me see here. Yeah, good steal. Let's see the daily. Definitely had a nice little pullback down to where? It was the first weekly resistance level. Kicked it up from there. Good stuff. And on the daily, pretty much had a wave trend test. I mean, it tested the 33 log MA. That's good. Returns oscillators below the zero mean, right? As soon as the day opened, man, right? Dixie worked its way down to that area. Now it's kicking back up. Some correlation. Setting up hidden bull. Yeah, returns oscillator already setting up hidden bull. You got the 30 length Z-score turned up. You do. Light trend on the daily. Let's see the 4-hour real quick. Just sitting right on top of the zero mean. Right pre-market open. No div. No freaking divs. No divs. Man, this chart's clean. Had a little bit of hidden bull. That's what popped this up. But on the top side, there is no bear or hidden bear. The bears are hibernating at the moment. But on the 4-hour, both Z-scores are down. You can see the returns oscillator sitting up on top of the zero mean. Volatility's flat, positively correlated. 2400's contracting positive. Then you got the 981 expanding and negative. Interesting. Wick right to this 4-hour candle, wick right to the top side of the power mean band. Remember, I was talking about this earlier in the week. That do I think the dollar's probably going to pull back some? Yeah, but I don't think today, to be honest. Really don't. I think it's going to be next week. The way those macro time frames look like. You see the 90-minute. Give me something to hang the hat on there. Yeah, and it was this 90-minute candle really came down. Boy, it's pulling up. It is a pulling. Yeah, and that little pullback was hidden bear, right? Lower high, higher high. Pretty high outside the deviation bands, too. Getting ready to cross the zero mean. 30-length Z-score up. 11 down. Total random walk on the 90-minute. All right. Last couple days, just a random walk down here on the 90. Definitely power mean bands and stuff. You can see the 90-minute pullback there. Tested wave trend. Reverse wave trend. Bullish setup, to be honest. Let's see here. Took the 45. Wow. How much time in this 45-minute candle? 9 minutes. Let's see if we can put a little blue on top here. Yes, sir. A great pull-up. Yeah, man. Hidden, too. Hidden bull divergence on the 45, but both Z-scores are down. There's no correlation. Returns oscillators turning up. There's no correlation. Saying this thing can't move. This is what I'm looking for as a close, though. Get up on top of the power mean band. Nice little bullish candle there. Let me see. Contracting positive. What's the 9? Flat correlation. Go to the 33. I was actually looking at the 33 earlier as I was making my coffee. Backfilling this candle as we speak. On some hidden bull. Man, correlation building too. Positive correlation building. How much time's left in this? 11 minutes. 11 minutes for the 33-minute candle. Z-scores are up. Prediction models to the downside. It's dropping in the trend. Now let's see what happens because volatility is expanding, positively correlated. Now the 2400 is negative. That can change real quick. Let's see what happens right at the market open here. 23 minutes. And we got what? About 11 minutes left in this 33-minute candle. Interesting. All right. Yeah, I want to see what happens when this crosses zero mean. Boy, it's giving it hell right now, and it hasn't even crossed. That's what the positive correlation will do for you. All right. Start of the low time frames. Elbow, you crazy? 33 minutes, a low time frame. Not in our world. Not in our world, it isn't. 15-minute, that's about the top of the low time frames for me. Let's see here.
Good for scoping.
Yeah, 15's got no div. It's actually building hidden bear right now. And it's at the 15-minute reverse Fisher. What'd you say? I know I heard you say something. Let's see here. There we go. There's all the positive correlation. Everything expanding. Where's this dog? Give me a second. Hey, stop! Boy, he's being a little obnoxious donkey lately, man. All right. He literally takes off just bearing straight for across the street to my neighbor's properties. It's like, you jackass. What are you going to do, man? What do you do with a big dog like that? No. Bad boy. He pretty much runs the neighborhood, I guess. All right, yeah. So, trying to get this power mean band on the 15 back up above reverse Fisher. I'm telling you, man, if that happens, you almost got the full power mean band bullish here. Overnight, Dixie, don't you? Getting everybody all bricked up and excited. Let's see what's happening on these low time frames. Yeah, no div. Is what's setting up is hidden bear, to be honest, man. There was no bull div kicking this back up. Not even locally. which usually you will see on the like a 9-minute time frame. Look at lower lows, man. Lower lows. So on this hidden, let's see what happens. And so here on the 9-minute, you almost got to the top of the power mean band. And this is what you want. This is what you want. That's what this was, this down move, right? This reverse wave trend crossed up reverse Fisher. These bears are like, hold on. The bulls kicked it right back up. They can close up here above the 33 a log MA. Not a bad little 9-minute candle close. Got 5 minutes left. Let's see if the 6 is set up how I want all these, the 9 and 15. All hidden bear all over the place on these low time frames. Let's let this power mean band populate. Come on, sweet pea. What do we got? What is SPY doing pre-market? Even Steven, huh? All right. Right now, it is right where it closed. Good stuff. Come on. Come on, UPM. Let's go. Hook up a freaking nitrous tank to this thing. Yeah, there we go. Got the 6-minute, didn't close the candle below Fisher. Reverse Fisher. If you ever hear me talk about wave trend or Fisher, it's our reverse models. It's our reverse model. So don't pull up, like if you're in traditional TA, don't pull up your wave trend indicator. You can pull up the Fisher all you want. It's a great indicator. If you are in traditional TA and you're not using the Fisher transform, it's probably the same reason why you're snubbing your nose at the VEPS, because you don't understand volatility. You don't understand the distribution. That's what the Fisher transform does. It takes all these data sets, turns it into a normal distribution. Let me see. Get wrecked. For sure. Just sent a wick to the top side of the power mean band up here. This little Ambele. Reba. Goodness great. Look at the correlation. I mean, look at this. Wow. You don't see that too often, man. Flipping back and forth these correlations like that. But look at the candles. Right? Look at the wicks. This thing was stoned to the downside. Kept picking it up. Guys, it's only a 3-minute time frame, too. It's fun. You want to really see the VEPS in action? Go to like a 1 minute. Go to a 30-second chart if you have a premium account. Wow. Use the replay function on some moves. Pull up your traditional TA. Do the same thing. Watch the magic. And then you'll just be like, what the hell have I been using this crap for? And I'm not talking about the VEPS. I'm talking about lagging indicators. Anything built on price is lagging. Know that right out of the gate. People do know it too, which blows my mind. I mean, I've been in other Discords talking with people. Everybody knows traditional TA lags, but they continue to use it. It's mind blowing to me. It only took so amount of time where it's just, man, I'm tired of this lagging crap. There's got to be a better way. Because I know these high frequency trading firms aren't using lagging information. So what in the hell are they using? Math. Straight up.
It's like, how am I entering a trade every time and I'm wrong?
Right?
I don't know how to feel. Like, that was just like, are you serious?
Totally.
People, this is not trading.
You are not getting money back. Get out of my way.
You even got your accent.
So you know what? It's always about the pivot, right? If what you're always doing is wrong, just do the opposite, right? Just pivot away from what you're doing.
Dude, that's what most people do. Like, okay, I'm going to counter trade myself. Oh, wait, I'm winning now. Oh, boy. Yeah, it's pretty
you get
crazy.
good at that, then you start counter trading your counter trade and you're back to the first place.
Yeah.
That's why it's so emotional.
Yep. 3 lefts make a right turn, right?
Two longs don't make a white.
You sure are white. Oh, boy. No, good stuff, man. Good freaking stuff. All right. So, yeah, pretty much run down through this. Tell you, man, dollar looks like it's setting up a little bullish run here. Intraday, at least low time frames. And listen, when we're talking about intraday trading, guys, you can almost, from 15-minute down, you can almost get a good idea what's going on with the data set. Really can, especially what's going to happen intraday especially when you have the VRE. right? Look at what is happening right now, right? Trying to get back up into the 68.3 Laplace. We're just in it at the open. Cracked it a little bit earlier. I don't know. I do like the fact didn't close a candle below that weekly, which is a support level now for the weekly volatility range. That is right. There's the top right there. Whoops. Get up here. Actually, yes. You know what? Give me a second here. What? Yeah, they're right on top of each other. There it is. I was like, where in the hell's the center of the weekly? There it is. Yeah, that it's the R1. Kicking it up. That's powerful too. I talked about it on Monday, right? We can go all the way back to Monday. I mean, boom, these areas. It's been just hanging around. Let's back it up. Let's back it up. Where'd that come in at? Where'd that come in at? Yep. Okay, so there's the opening of the week, right? First, you bounce off the top side of the weekly. You make a run up to that resistance area. Next couple days, right? Just hovering around it, man. Hovering around it. These areas are magnets for price action. Magnets for price action. Once again, last trading day of the week, here we are. Here we are. Daily range above it. And I might add, tight daily range. Tight daily range. When this market opens, if Dixie can get above this daily range, run to the top side of the 63, crack that, maybe crack the second resistance level, things will get real interesting. You pop it over here on SPY. Let's see here. Yeah, it's up what? 2 cents pre-market? You got 2 cents, huh? Look. Now, let me put the extended trading hours on here. Let me see something. Did it try to pop? Yeah, man, it tried to pop up above. It's having trouble with the bottom of the monthly range. Look at post-market yesterday, right? Look at post-market. Look at pre-market. Here you are, banging your head against it again. First support level, weekly volatility range, right here for SPY, 442.88. That is about a little bit above the first standard deviation. Here, I can turn those extended hours off. And that was yesterday's 1SD, right? We're gonna get some new deviation or distribution levels here real soon. 13 minutes. Bear with us. I'm just looking at this point. I'm just looking at volatility ranges. That's all you can do before the market opens, right? Let me see here. What do we got? I mean, jeez. Weekly support. Already kicked off of it. The beginning of the day, right? 3 wicks right into it. And it climbed back up into the monthly range, or tried. Not having it though. Pulling back. Yeah, I can't wait to get the new levels. This is actually pretty good. If it opens up right here, probably going to open up more towards the top side of the 68.3. Probably going to get some good ranges here. Tough right now. What you doing, girl? Jesus. Yeah, let's just say right at 105. Pop this back over here. Oh yeah, SPY, you're gonna pop a little bit with Dixie pre-market. Yeah, I don't know here, man. This thing is definitely having trouble. Like I said, Dixie needs to get up here, sustain itself in the 68.3. If it does, I mean, it can run to the top side easily. Now, is it going to happen during this 4-hour candle? Don't know about that. I mean, you got the 2 SD on the 4-hour up here. Interesting. Right above it, too. What's gold doing? Let's see what gold's doing here. Oof. Tight daily range. Is it trending today? What do you think? Not massive, but boy, it's flying around, isn't it? Kind of eased its way into that daily range. Pumped right off of it. Where did it reject from? Twice. First standard deviation. Second resistance level on the daily is where you were throwing wicks into. Then slowly pulled back. Right back in that monthly resistance level. Wicks. You see, man. This will be interesting to see if gold finds support here on this daily. If it gets below this tight daily, look out, man. You'd see the same kind of price action to the downside. Bottom side of the 68.3, huh? What's that, 1915? this type of a range here, they're probably going to defend this area, I would imagine. Obviously, Dixie needs to break loose. So literally almost the whole week, just been hanging around 105. Not going to lie, making it kind of tough. Haven't really gotten any bad trades, though, this week. That's what the VEPS will help you with. There's 2 days I didn't even trade. It's like, nah. No thanks. All right, let's see the minis. Yeah, good explanation there, P-Funk. I read that earlier. Had no clue what was going on. That's why I put what I did. I was like, what the? Why did this gap up? Well, duh. So the future's flipping. Let me see here. So yeah, that totally makes sense. Totally makes sense. What is silver doing? Hanging around 23. We'll back up. See if there's anything big moving pre-market. Adobe up 1.6. Pre-market, I mean, fairly. There's a lot of green. Indeed. Let's see. These treasuries doing. On futures up. There's corn. And I saw yesterday what Bill Gates bought, like, how much was it? $100 million in Anheuser-Busch, trying to save Bud Light. And this little woke ass. What are you gonna do? I hope everybody shorts that thing into the dirt. But I mean, 100 million. I mean, what's the guy worth? Bill. I mean, how much is Gates worth? Like 100 billion or something stupid. How much is Gates worth?
Yeah, you fluctuate like 54 to like 89.
That's just madness. So what's 100 million? I mean, 100 million's nothing. If you got $50 billion, it's like, yeah, let's throw 100 mil at it. Oh boy.
Yeah. Well, it's the saying of when there's blood in the streets.
Yeah, that's.
One man can have $100 billion and we still have homeless.
Dude, it's stupid, right? What about this? I mean, just a good example is look what the hell they're doing to these people in Hawaii. Have you guys dove into that? You see what they're doing to these people?
No,
it's unbelievable. They, especially on the west side of Maui, where Lahaina, where it just got totally destroyed. People lost everything. So first, no government officials. It took the mayor 2 weeks to come out and say anything about it. These people, it's just families helping families. It's unreal. And so what's the administration do? We'll give you $700 one time. We'll give you a one-time $700 check. Now the governor of Hawaii, they're literally trying to take these people's land and they're going to build a memorial for the people that got lost. It's like, what? As you're sending billions of dollars to Ukraine and you're not going to rebuild these people's houses. Instead, you're going to steal their land. There's some sketchy shit going on in this country and it disgusts me. I mean, I got friends that live in Hawaii and they are just, it's beyond belief. The people that live there, what's going on. They just can't.
How are they going to be able to afford to rebuild it anyway?
Yeah.
Everything needs to be shipped there, you know?
Yeah, but I mean,
I know, I agree with what you're saying. It's just, you know.
Yeah, this is their people's homes, though. They have a right to. They definitely have the right to have their places rebuilt and live there, especially the native Hawaiians and stuff. I mean, what the hell, man? It's just disgusting. This administration's a joke. It really is.
Because that country mainly live off of benefits, like from the government. Because at the end of the day, we live in a modern day economy and there's things called insurance, and the people that can afford the insurance can afford the insurance. But now, why weren't those people insured? And if it's because they don't have jobs, then yes, it's up to the government to solve that issue.
This is my beef with the left in general, right? So, I mean, I have more of a libertarian stance than anything. I do not subscribe to any political party.
Right.
But my problem with the left is that they harp on, like diversity, different skin colors, but as soon as a different skin color receives hardship, like the people in Hawaii, all of a sudden the left don't want to pony up, right? They're just like, oh, never mind.
Ooh.
Well, somebody did an estimate. It costs about $1 billion to rebuild all these houses. And just here recently, right? The administration's like, oh, guess what? We found an extra $4 billion. We're just going to give it to Ukraine.
Wait, so you're saying that we should give the land back to the volcanoes, right?
And that's another thing too, right? That's what we're not talking about. These people literally live on volcanoes.
Yes.
So it's like,
Move.
Yeah.
Live somewhere that isn't going to erupt under your feet.
it's what they should. I mean,
But yeah, that's not what I mean.
I mean, obviously, these people literally lost everything. And I was out during the wildfires in California. I mean, I've seen people lose everything. And dude, the look on these people's faces, oh, it's just, I mean, dude, they're beaten. They're beaten. It's incredible.
That's horrible. What happened? It was just horrible.
They got their clothes on their back. That's all they got. I mean, that fire swept through there.
Yeah, yep.
It's insane. It is insane. Oh, well. What are we going to do? Let me see.
I think
Micros.
my call of the day is short on Intel. That's my daily call.
Set a short on Intel.
Yeah, short on Intel. INTC. It's just way above its power mean band on multiple time frames, and it's starting to show a little.
Intel. What is the ticker for Intel?
It's right there, right on your screen. INTC.
INTC. Boom.
It's not going to show anything on the ERE necessarily, especially with the market not open.
Oh, yeah, sure it will. The weekly and the monthly it'll show. Let me see here. Monthly, 1, 2. Weekly range. Where are we? I mean, oh man. It's like it's right in between. It's right below the second resistance level on the monthly and right above the first resistance level on the weekly. Let me see here.
$37.95.
You're looking at that Microsoft play.
Let's talk Intel.
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 It's just overextended, right? It's overextended. You know, it's probably.
Well, I can see right here on the 4 hour, this thing's way out of bounds. Let's see. Goodness gracious.
It's out of bounds on the daily too.
Which is this thing? 38. Interesting. Interesting.
Look at that daily down there, 36.69. Huh?
This is what I'm finding the news. If news is good for anything, at least it'll tell you what's up and what's down by a big. Why it's up, I don't care. But it'll tell you like, hey, this is up a lot. So you go in and you look. Oh, this looks overextended. Oh, this looks like it's like at a bottom. That's I call that sort of thing.
Draw Microsoft.
What about it?
Well positioned.
I think I said in chat yesterday, Microsoft Tuesday is probably the move, right? I mean, if we're saying within 4 candles, and on the 4 hour, it puts out the fourth candle is on the Tuesday on a cross as well. So if the math is all,
Yeah, but the move doesn't happen. That doesn't have to happen on the cross, right? It can happen anywhere from 0 to 4 candles out on any given time.
It can happen like as the cross is actually happening, right?
Yeah, or it can happen at the first.
It crossed yesterday on the daily, and then it's going to cross, I think, on noon today on the 4 hour. So
right now it's crossing on the 15 minute. Let's go 15 minute.
Dude, top side of the 68.3 right here. At least, I mean, obviously the market's not open. But those the 37.5 puts are 12 cents. It's pretty cheap, man. This thing's getting the money.
I could be 38 over the quarter.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Everything's pretty cheap.
I see it.
Should go down the daily or top of the daily range. Jesus, man. I mean, they're lotto tickets. 4 cents. And the 37s are 6.
Gee.
But yeah,
It's Intel's like one of those things that it's kind of cheap to get in, so you can buy a few contracts, right? And that's multiplicative. So you get you get a 30% on a quick 2-minute pop. On how many contracts? One of those deals. And with it being a Friday too, right? The premium's gonna like go crazy
we're
today.
about to find out right here. This is 15. There we go. Look at Intel pop immediately. Interesting. All right, Dixie. Yeah, Dixie pulled back. Let's see here. All right, let's get off here.
Did we open?
Yeah. New daily range. Let's see. What are you doing until center 37? Steve. Ding, ding, ding. You're right. I mean, it opened up right pretty much at the bottom side of the 68.3. First standard deviation to the downside's 37, a little under 37 and a half. And we will shortly see. Was Dixie going to spill the beans? Going to spill the beans, Dixie? Let me go to. Yeah, where'd this thing pull back to? Right at market open. Spy, what you doing here, you little rascal? Definitely not as tight as yesterday. Still a pretty tight daily range. 144, about 40 what? About 45 cents or so. Damn, already at the top side of the 68.3. 4 hour in daily. 4 hour in daily. Gate, huh? Let's see here. What are we doing?
A ripping Intel. Wow. Interesting.
That's supposed to be the call of the day. Let's see how it plays out.
Right. I like it a little bit higher.
Yeah, dude, just like most stuff, you're below all this macro volatility. Intel's in the monthly range though. All right, it was beating its head against it yesterday. Now it's trying to make a move here.
You're on SPY, not Intel.
What's that?
You're on SPY, not Intel.
Oh Jesus! Well, what are you gonna do?
What are you gonna do?
What are you gonna do? I got you guys. Yeah. No, Intel's moving. Let's see here.
I think there's a relationship. There's an inverse relationship between Intel and AMD, right? So if you go back several years, right, AMD basically ate Intel's lunch, right? Basically pushed them out of the market, stole a lot of their market share. So when AMD suffers, Intel probably pops. So there's probably a correlation.
Let's see. Yeah, it's about a nice quick pop.
So when you see these cycles, right, given that a lot of the shit is news driven, you'd more than likely find, if you could do some research, that Intel pumped because they released a new technology. Then it got boring for a while in the computer industry for 6 months. Then the next AMD releases their new big graphics card, and you can mine a Bitcoin in a year or whatever, I don't know. Okay? AMD goes through the roof. All right, Intel then goes and says, "Oh, we're releasing this new board chip for these things." Then it goes through the roof. So it's the investors in tech going, "Okay, this company doesn't have anything innovative coming down the pipeline in 3 months. Why just sell the stock?" Actually, if everyone thinks that way, it's going to go down, and put it into AMD because we know that they're releasing a graphics card. So those are the kind of relationships that you don't want to get caught up thinking, but you'll be able to see the best time to make those decisions with the map. That makes sense. Anyway.
Intel's getting to that spot, man. 38
Now
cents.
Microsoft also went up for the nice little pumpy.
What did Microsoft?
Yeah, man, up like 06%.
Let me see what Microsoft. I'm not watching that.
Yeah, just right.
0.6% on the pumpage from open. And
Wow, look at
that
that.
went up another
Still going.
1.1. Yeah.
Everything is pumping because I mean, early morning is
Right, it's set for the move.
Well, look at the dollar. I mean, right at market
look
open.
at that variance pump, dude.
Right.
Intel outlier positively correlated to the upside.
Yeah, dollar fell out of
Kind of a
bed.
no-brainer.
Yeah,
Look where it just
100%.
tapped now. Just tapped on the 4-hour perfectly.
Everything's
And on the
gonna,
bottom of the daily range.
everything's going to get
It's a
get
good.
juiced. Of course, I mean,
Bottom of yesterday's range, today's first resistance. It's a good.
yeah, right on the open, that bad boy. Oh yeah,
Very nice.
Microsoft, just because I spent so much time, when I first started trading, focusing on it. Microsoft, what it likes to do is, if it has a run up, it'll run up about the first 15, 30 minutes of the day, and then it'll bump back down.
wow.
9:30 is usually the pivot if it's going to continue on going up, or it's going to take it down, nose down, basically.
Yeah, I mean, it's a fast scalp, It's like you don't need to sit in it a long time. Thing moves 0.5% or 1%. Get in and get it.
Sorry for the Eastern Standard Time, folks. It's 10:30. That's the time for Microsoft usually.
38 puts are 8 cents now.
On Intel, yeah.
I think I might have to play it.
Good profit.
I might have to play for shits and giggles.
Shits and giggles. Yeah, let's see what happens to the dollar down here.
Yeah. Futures up at 67. That chart as well.
Yeah, let's pop that back on. And I'm going to put that in my, I don't know why I didn't save it. Why it's not on there.
Rippage.
Whoop. Where is that? There we go.
Rippage.
Let's see. Yeah, G's amount of things at the top side of the 68.3. Daily range, I mean, oof. That last
Scotty, look at the daily range on the NQ, man. It's like a penny.
On what?
On the NQ, the futures, it would be MNQ
right.
2023. MNQU 2023. I hate how they're doing this rollover shit. Trading now.
Yeah, you're gonna pop on it here in a sec. Let's see what happens here. Okay, yeah, let me look at these. You're talking the futures, right?
It's MNQU 2023.
Oh, MNQU.
Yeah, because that's next. So what you're looking at there, that's December's contract now starting today.
Right, MNQU
2023.
U 2023.
Yeah, you got to type it in.
MNQU
2023. Just hit enter.
Yep, September 2023.
See how that does that? Yeah.
But
same thing with
trying to get up above the center of the monthly. Trying to get up on the center of that monthly.
I mean, look how tight the range is, right? So when it's
Oh,
super
yeah.
tight like that, you would expect this to have a huge volatility move.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, for sure. Could go both directions. Just like most shit, though, man. A lot of macro volatility. You're in it, though. In it. Having trouble with the center of the monthly right here. Here's the center of the weekly. And here's the top side. That's what I mean. Let's see what happens by the close of the day, man. If you get a lot of assets that buzz up onto the top side of all this macro volatility, that'll be real interesting going into next week. Especially if Dixie gets just trucked today.
Yo, so there's a lot of news with regards to Apple. I don't know, I was walking through my house and my dad, I just heard Apple News on the laptop or whatever. So there's news. A good call good thing to do would be to look at Apple. As we can see, it hasn't touched its daily mean. But this is a little bit of a news-driven thing. Okay, that's why it hasn't touched its daily mean straight off the open.
Enjoy.
Look for in your indicators when Apple's going to start pulling back. That should give you a general idea of what a lot of the market's going to do. Just because it's actually quite big things that they're talking about.
I think Apple yesterday. I was doing Apple yesterday, right? Because it had dumped down to its almost down to its third standard deviation. This is one of those times where it happened, but this is something that the news reported on it. I don't think the VEPS would actually catch it, is because China's shutting down Apple. Like they're basically saying, hey, Apple, guess what? We don't like you. We're not going to allow you to sell phones in our country, right? So that's something like outside, I think, the VEPS. So it's going to create sell pressure that'll push it down. Now, where it goes from here will be on the VEPS, right?
So if we know that it has, check this out. Yeah, that's 100% correct, right? We know that this candle should actually be at the daily mean because it's relatively bad news.
Auto
Apple's
USD.
gonna have to find a new place, right? But it's pumping. Okay, so that tells us once the party ends, this thing's coming back to this untouched daily mean. See.
Yeah, but the daily mean is down at 76.40, right? 176.44 on Apple.
Yeah, and like look at the gap that came before it, you know. Not small.
Right.
It's Apple can move that quite easily.
Futures are making a new high.
Yeah, Aussie USD. Let's see here. Interesting. Already ran up. Looks like it's running the 4-hour distributions. got through the daily 1SD, the top side. That 4-hour candle 95.4 Laplace, wick right to it. Algo's flipped it. Whoop! Right back down to the first resistance level on the daily. It's dropping below it right now. With the dollar pulling back like that too. I think this thing would be pumping. It's not though.
On my whiteboard for SPY, outside move I had was 446.07. It hit 446.09 and start pulling back. So,
woo! Yeah, look at that dollar, man. It dropped out. It's got 2 minutes left. Let's see what happens with this candle. I'm gonna turn this. Trying to turn it around. Yeah, let me pop that pair up here. Got a little request in the TV chat. Yeah, let's go up here on the daily.
Yeah, man. Someone wanted to know about Andy's fiat.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, and obviously the dollar was pumping. So this is what you're going to see, right? God, you're at the bottom side of the power mean band too. Against a weak dollar. Who's weaker? Jeez. All good. No bull dip, man. No bull dip. Everything's turning up, though. Everything's turning up. But is the dollar going to continue being weak? It's the issue. I mean, you got euro and pound up on the dollar right now. I mean, you guys are up on the day. Let's see here. Poor yen. Jesus, yen. USD's up on you.
Yeah.
Let's see. Yeah, the New Zealand dollar is a lot stronger than the Aussie. That's for damn sure. It's up 0.5% on the dollar. U.S. dollar. So yeah, this pair. Let's see. Here's the daily. What's this look like on the 5-day? I haven't looked at this pair in a while. Let's take a peek. Oh yeah, I know all kinds of news.
All those sheep in high demand.
Oh, you're way below the power mean band. This pair turn around, maybe get back up to 66 cents, then see what happens. This is a bearish setup. I've ever seen one. So I looked at the daily. What's it? Let's start on the 4-hour intraday here. Jeez. Bear div. Barely any movement in the data set, but enough to set up some bear div. High link Z-score's up. It's the only saving grace. Volatility's pretty low too. Volatility's pretty low. This power mean band would populate. Yeah, man. Come on, baby. Good Lord. Yep, you are welcome. Oh, boy.
Dude, look at those Intel calls, man. That's beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
12 cents now.
Yeah, I got 13, 12, yeah. Where'd you buy them at? I got them at 7 cents.
Yeah, 7 cents, man. I mean, I only got 4. I only got 4.
Oh, you got one more than me. I go in 3s and 6s and 9s. I told you, I'm a psycho, man. It's the numbers. It's the numbers. Yeah, this even on the 4-hour.
Bilbo,
Yo.
at least I know your price.
Yeah.
If that makes sense.
Yeah.
So when you see an NFT go up,
it's magic. There's nothing like an NFT bull run. You got Solana pumping. You got the NFT value and Sol pumping. You're just double dipping. It's good shit. If it all works out right.
Alpha Trading, the home of NFTs. Nice, fun traders.
Nice, fun traders, baby. Now this on the 90-minute, boy, it's trying to flip around. You can see when you get outside the power mean band like this is what usually happens, right? You're going to go sideways. You're going to mean revert first. Look at all the wicks this thing's sending to the downside. Good Lord. Got to get this flipped around. Let's see the 45. Because you are crossing back up the reverse fissure, which is good. Everything's crossed back up. Oh, yeah, man, those things are popping, aren't they? 38s, 16 cents. Nice. I might have bought some 37s at 2 cents, too. Never know. Might have double dipped in there.
I didn't get into it because I didn't get into the Intel put because I was looking at some other things. But like I said, I've been pretty on Johnny on the spot with some of these little calls that I've had. Just quick, enough to buy you lunch, right?
Yeah, that's enough for that. Yeah, this thing.
Whack yourself, keep pumping.
We'll dip back into this pair on Monday. This thing play out a little bit. After this pullback here on this pair, man, this thing's just going sideways. Trying to get up. All right, you already got up above the fissure, man. On this pair, this fissure gone wild. Yeah. Close the daily above there. Let this power mean band break up through that 99. Yeah, man, good stuff. Dollar's hanging in there though right now. Dollar's definitely hanging in there. Let me see here. SPY. Yeah, we're SPY popping
up more than 1% already. It's market open.
Right.
Yeah. Still got that trending action going on.
Let me get this back on traditional.
Fat tail outlier.
SPY. Yeah, where'd SPY pop to? Jeez. Right out of the gate. Popped up above the 68.3. So sending wicks into the first resistance level on the daily, rejecting from there, huh? Or is it? I mean, gosh, you got all this macro volatility above, which are magnets, man. I realize though, boy, there's a lot of areas here for these bears to just punch this data set right in the face from. Really, 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 really. A lot of space, man. Thing that can't run, especially if this dollar loses steam all day, man. This thing will go wild. It's been getting torched. But how far? How far? I mean, if I was in this early, and this is going to continue, if it gets by this first if it gets by this first daily resistance level, you close the 15-minute candle up there, it's going to immediately probably pop right to the center of the monthly. Right to the center of the monthly, which is what? The bottom of the weekly range. Would I front run that and take my profit? Yeah, 100%, man. I don't care if the thing ran to the top of the weekly. High probability it rejects from there. But the dollar falls out of bed more. You know, you can move through there. Then you got the center of the weekly, top of the monthly, top of the weekly. I mean, this is just, bam. This is a bear den up here. They're just waiting. They're just waiting.
Dollar isn't quite there, but in the micro time frames, it is getting very close to trend. So it could very easily bust right through those volatility ranges if it does so.
That's what I want to see. Let's go to low time.
It's kind of curving. That's why I haven't gotten into any like calls or puts, right? Because it's not quite there.
446.85. Look at that. Center of the monthly range is at the 45-minute reverse wave trend. They're right on top of each other. And this right here, this is a bearish setup. This thing just mean reverting. All these 4-hour candles. You're finding support on the Fisher. I mean, look at this thing. All right? People are drawing trend lines. Do they realize this thing just running on the reverse Fisher? Throw a distribution model up here. Yeah, man. So you're back at the 99 log MA.
So I made the mistake of going on Twitter last night, just reading. And so I guess like 2 days ago when, the market dumped, all the TA people were like, oh yeah, it's because there's a 50 MA, that decided that it was going to be a bull run. I'm like, that's bullshit.
No, it's total bullshit. People are in
total, like millions of transactions happening every minute, and you're going to be able to boil it down into one stupid line? Please.
No way. That's what they count on. It's like, oh, some dummy out there will listen to me. Just 50 EMA, man. It's powerful. Guys, it's lagging. It's a lagging indicator, straight up. You should not be using that stuff. You wonder why you lose trades all the time? There you go. There you go. We just talked about it earlier, man. It's insane. Freaking insane. Insane in the membrane. Anybody watch that freaking NPR Tiny Desk I popped in? Did I put that in this chat or the other Discord? I don't even know. It's pretty good. Cypress Hill. They're still kicking it, man. Gray haired out. Freaking dropping bombs. Let me see. Posts is good too, man. If you haven't watched that NPR. I wasn't too heavy into Post Malone until I watched that, and I was like, damn. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Yeah, SPY's at a standstill here right now, man. 99 log MA. That thing's a powerhouse. It really is. I'm not saying this can't go through. Because that is the center of the monthly. I mean, they are just identical. So it could definitely push up to there. It definitely could push up to there. Is it above? But I'm telling you, man, this first resistance on the daily, that's where the bears are first going to try to kick this down. They already did. They kicked it down back to the top side of the 68.3. Where do you think the bulls are at? Right there, man. So right now, woo, tight little range. Who's going to win this battle? You close the 15-minute candle above here, it'll slip right up. Can you slip up? Yeah, haven't you watched our president? He falls going upstairs. Fucking doorknob. What an embarrassment for this country. Let me see here. All these politicians. Revolution. That's the only way we're saving this country.
When Suntap mentioned Microsoft, that was probably a really good time to get into it, right? Because it's in trend now. It's gonna pull back pretty hard too. Almost up there.
Yeah, TP now. I mean, that's
we're pulling your trading card. You just sit back and you just give signals.
Perfect.
Yeah, somebody's got to do it. Yeah, man, these bears are fucking popping that thing back down. Popping that thing back down. Yeah.
330s are 20 cents.
The what?
Microsoft 330 puts are 20 cents.
Really?
Wow. Down from $1.40. Whoa.
Holy shit. Microsoft, where you going, donkey? And what'd you say? The three what? 330s?
Yeah.
Jesus. Like right here in the center of the daily?
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm looking at here now. Interesting.
Yeah, that was good for a quick TP.
Mm-hmm.
Gave you that walkover for like 4 minutes on Microsoft. It was like, dude, just take it and don't be greedy. Get out.
Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy.
Yeah, like your eyes again, you know, once it comes out at random, but like, who cares? Like, you already got the move.
Yeah, man. Center of the daily.
330 calls went from 120 to 460. Wow.
Yeah, old Microsoft. Yeah, that's if you want to get in that bad boy, 22 cents, 21 cents.
Yeah.
How much were they at the peak up here, I wonder?
On the Microsoft?
Yeah.
I think they're down from $1.40, right? 330s?
Yeah, but when this PA was at the top of this wick, I bet those 330s were what, 15 cents probably?
Yeah.
Something like that.
15, the lowest 15 cents.
15, yeah.
At one point yesterday, they were trading at 2 and change. Wow.
It's faux show. And you're at the 1SD. You're pulling back inside the 1SD. Literally rip through the daily range, top side of the 68.3 Laplace distribution.
I mean, either way, the Microsoft scalp is good for a TP. That way you can at least reposition even if it rides up harder. And if not, you go for the short. Yeah.
Going.
Scotty, that's a 3X on Intel, man.
The 38s? It is, isn't it? What are they, 21 cents? Let me see here.
Oh, boy.
Man. Talking big money.
Yeah, crypto is red.
Yeah, let's see what this looks like. Oh, backfill. Oh, open up the porta pot. I mean, the top side of the daily's at the 38. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Man, this thing runs down to the 1SD to the downside. Oof.
Mm-hmm.
That'd be literally about a 7X. Probably. What in the hell is going on? We're not getting spammed up, are we? Public chat. What's going on up there? No. Good. Must be another Discord. There's something going on. Gotta keep out the baddies. Gotta keep out them baddies.
Apple had a nice move. Facebook had a nice move. Or Meta, whatever. Tesla also. Oh, looking good on the day. Wow, AMD up 2%. Yeehaw.
I say, what?
3%. Yield 3%.
Yeah,
Oh, wow.
crypto's bleeding for sure. Oh yeah, we monitoring them these freaking puts, aren't we, P-Funk?
Yes, sir. The 106 is on AMD now.
Thing's almost in the money. Come on, you son of a bitch.
Wow.
We want to give a shout out to our sponsor and signal giver.
Nothing wrong with that.
Hell no.
Nothing wrong with it. Oh.
Oh, it's a trap.
Like I said, there's no rule against us all making money on the same thing, right? There's
Oh, I
plenty of room.
like you throwing that shit out. It's great.
Hell no.
There's plenty of room. There's plenty of room for us.
Always.
It's not like anybody in here is going to move a market.
No.
Trust me.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
We could pile all of us together and we got no chance.
I'll tell you what, if they turn this dollar, man, I mean, there's some really cheap puts out here.
Yeah.
106 for AMD is only 6 cents.
Dixie giving it up though, man. Jesus. All right, here we go. We're back in these levels. Let's see what happens. Let's see if we get another kickoff of this weekly. I mean, 4 hour. You're down here 2 SD 95 for Laplace. And this 4 hour candle though's got what? How much time? Not much. Yeah, an hour. Got an hour. Yeah, 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock. Let's see if it kicks up from here. Yeah, you get a run. You get a kick off of this weekly level here again.
Mm-hmm.
Shit could really spill. You said. Hold on.
Look at Intel. Wow. Nice.
Intel's creeping in. Like it. I like it a lot. Whoa, got all tight on me. Getting all tight. Give it up, Intel. It's prom night, baby.
2 out of the quarter.
It's prom night. Put the red panties on. Red panty night in Techland.
Putting 2 out of the quarter, Scott. In case you want a front run.
What'd you say?
I said I'm putting 2 out at a quarter on these Intel puts.
Yeah.
They're bouncing off the top of the daily now, but if we get a little bit more.
Let's see here. Yeah. I'm wondering if this daily, at the center of this daily, is going to get some action. Good thing you're below the 68.3 now. Man, that 15-minute candle. Holy shit. Power of the VEPS, man. I mean, literally closed right at the top of the daily.
Yeah.
That's what, they ran it up. Bulls are like, uh-oh. They just jumped down here and said, all right, let's set up shop right here. It's like, all right, there you go. Is that going to hold, though? No. God, treasuries, man.
Showing once again why it's good to take profit and reposition. Because like I said, if it goes up for more, you get more. But if not, who cares?
Yeah.
And it's still trending on the 15-minute with variance on the fat outlier. I mean, VEPS info is fantastic.
Futures are making new highs.
What is?
Futures are making new highs.
Of course they are. Of course they are.
It's a good.
SPY just running into it. Jesus, where are you going? Where do you think you're going, young man? Got above that daily resistance level. Let's see if I can close one up here. Got 11 minutes. Swag bag. See what happens.
Gold. Also having a nice pumpy.
Oh, yeah.
Good SPY ripping, too.
Yeah. SPY and gold. And crypto's bleeding?
Because, yeah, on the day, I mean.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, freaking sore.
Not much to write home about.
Yeah, the SPY futures
It's fun on the 1 minutes.
are drilling the Nasdaqs.
Mm-hmm.
Meanwhile, rice. Poor rice.
What's going on with
Must
rice?
not be the season for rice. Rice kind of flat on the day so far. Like since traditional market open, I mean.
Right, I was gonna say, yeah, it's up like 0.5% on the day though.
Well,
Wheat down.
Scotty, I'm looking at the 330 puts on Microsoft.
330 puts on Microsoft.
13 cents. I don't know yet. I don't see it turning yet.
Mm-mm. Yeah, that's ridiculous, man. God, that's really cheap.
It's at the second deviation right now, right?
30. You throw this on real quick. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? There you are.
the dollar keeps dumping.
Yeah. Oh, geez. Hello. Hello. Yeah, you're at the second resistance level. Second resistance level.
Yep.
Above the 1
Yes,
SD. Above the 1 SD.
Stop pounding those third SD bands. That's why that third SD band. That's why it's like still good for the run.
Yeah, the dollar's getting just.
But when it turns,
nuked.
it's gonna turn.
It's gonna turn now.
Yeah, if this dollar turns around, man, shit's gonna get wrecked. God, more this talk about getting wrecked. Huh?
You know, like 15 minutes starting on Microsoft, starting to look.
Yeah, they look what it just hit too. Right there. Beautiful daily. Resistance 2. And it's above.
We got here. Figure that out. Let's see.
So nice.
He's so nice. Yeah, we're only about half hour into the trading day. Shit's wild.
We're all sitting there quietly manipulating like.
Yeah, everybody's trading.
Look.
You found the traders. God, if Microsoft's almost at 335. Jesus. He said, Jesus. Where are you running to, big dog? 2 SD on the 4 hours up here. Yeah, this will be interesting to see what happens at the end of the day, man. By the end of the day. That's for damn sure. That is for damn sure.
P.
The dollar's just getting freaking sizzled up right now. And like you say, gold's having a little run, huh? Yeah, if that dollar dumps, man, gold's going to definitely whoop. Right before it got down to its daily. And I mean, let's be honest, man. I mean, it's close of the week coming up. Everything's trying to get back up above these macro levels, especially the weekly going into next week. Because you drop a weekly range again, it's just ugly. Because the weeklies are just going to dive deeper below the monthly. Yeah, just positioning. My opinion, that's what's going on right now. Gold's almost at the center of its monthly. There's a thing though. Where is?
Yeah.
Dixie straight crippled all of a sudden. Almost at the second support level. And the 3SD on this 4-hour candle. It closes in. Yeah, man. We could be getting close to a little bit of a reversal here. Indeed. We could. Damn, it's already up a nickel. Man, these guys are trading nickels. What the hell? Wooden nickels. That's how old we are. We're trading wooden nickels.
Man, DJIA futures.
Well, I
Just
think they're setting everybody
giving
up right
people
now.
whiplash.
People getting set up right now, man.
Yeah, man.
God, if you're a bull right now and you haven't taken your profit,
Isn't
you are missing the fucking. You missed the memo.
Yeah.
I would be jumping on profits real quick
Yeah.
here. If you're long, take your
Yeah.
profits. I got a feeling deep in my loins. Struggle bus. Deep in my loins, there's a feeling. It's got me bricked up. Who? Treasuries are getting pounded. Let me see.
There be turnarounds a coming.
There be a turnaround's coming when it comes. All right. Yeah, man, what are you gonna do?
I mean, not to disrespect the stonks or whatever. They can certainly keep on running.
The stonks. The
Mean
stonks.
reversion happened.
The stonks are on
Mean
fire.
reversion happened.
We don't give a
BTC
shit.
squash
Let the intraday trade. Let it trade, baby. Let it trade. I got a big pile. I got a big pile of green going on my on my position chart. Piles of green. Piles of green.
You got a T to P.
Yeah. T, man. You got to T that P, baby. T to P.
Right. T to P.
Let's see.
I mean, MSST got up to what? Above the second daily resistance. So
yeah, it did.
If that's not good for MTP, I don't know what you're thinking. You could have run higher.
Hell, I'd have been taking profit at the
no-brainer.
Dude, I mean, there's so many places along the line here to take profit. It's ridiculous.
Yeah.
The top side of the 68.3, the 1 SD on the 4 hour, first resistance level on the daily, 1 SD on the daily, 95.4 Laplace, and this thing's continuing to push. Microsoft says no.
Right.
No.
That's right. Microsoft's like, I want to be Orange Coin. I want to be the honey badger today. Okay.
I want to be the honey badger.
I mean, it's still rising. It's still got that trend going on, but
look at the 15-minute RMLR
on Microsoft.
Yeah.
Oh, it's smashing through those bands, man.
Tapping on the standard deviations, even the 9 minute same way. It's blasted through the third lines.
Yeah. 4 hour. Hell, 4 hours blasting through it, or it's at it.
So it has mean, dude. On a 9 minute, it has a mean of 329.86 a power mean. Wow.
Oh boy.
Those options are 9 cents. Oh, shit.
We'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. We'll be running around the mountain when she comes. Let's see on the 15. Yeah, man. I mean, this thing's at pretty much. Which one though? 3SD band on what? The high length.
I hit it on the 9. Hit it on the 9 minute and the 15 minute and the 5 minute.
Next 15-minute candle. Here's the RMLR at 332. Yeah, because this thing's up here at the 3SD band. You're sending wicks into these current candle distribution. I mean, 2 SD, 95.4 Laplace, really, right on the nose. On that 15-minute. Yeah. Shit. 45 minutes into the market open. Shit's all over the place. All over the place. Lift down here messing around under $11 again. Come on, you donkey. Dump under 10. Let's see. Natural gas. Good times. Good freaking times. Yeah, let's let me go over here real quick. Let's focus on Dixie. Let's see what's going on these low time frames. Jesus. It's up to 45. Let's see where this thing's going, man. Probably going to want to look at the 4 hour, to be honest. Or this thing just tapped to.
New 15-minute there.
Yeah, I mean, look at the 4 hour volatility. Hello. Hello. Come on, Power Mean Man. Just aged a year. Got a birthday coming up hot. Oh, boy. As you get older, though, you tend to forget about them. What? Birthday? No, I'm not getting older. Oh, kid. Rejecting off the top side of the Power Mean Band. Interesting. Wick. Whoop. Jeez, man. 4 hour, 104.377. Tell you what, man. This thing freaking goes to wave trend today. These markets are going to freaking go bananas, probably. Especially gold. I'd be a bit surprised if so what is where are we hitting? We hitting wave trend on the 90 or are we below it? Let's see what's up here. Where's the saving grace? Show me the power. This thing nailed a wave trend on one of these time frames. It's a big drop from 4 hour to 90, but I like it. Let's see what's going on here. Hour and 13 minutes left. There we go. It shot through wave trend. I would not be a bit surprised to see this thing pull back up here during this 90-minute candle. 104.78. Looking like it's trying right now. Imagine we're nailing the damn way below. Hello. Yeah, this is not sustainable. Same area too. 99 log MA on the 4 hours. About the reverse wave trend on the 90. And you leave this way. You pull this all the way back up, turn this 45-minute candle bullish, man. This thing will rip around real fast. Oh, real fast. Let's see what's right around 104.8 on the 33. Show me the power. Nice. Got a little sun out. Trying to get mentally prepared for Sunday morning. I'll be tailgating at about, I think we're leaving at 8 in the morning. We'll be downtown by 9. Getting stupid. I like your team, P-Funk. They look good. Dude, your coach, just, I mean, give me some of them, right? He's just fucking awesome, dude. I've always loved that guy. He was a monster when he played.
I agree, man. I like their uniform.
Quarterback trade with LA. I was like, seriously, you're gonna give up Goff? The fuck, man.
Well, I mean, they got, Stafford for him. Stafford got his championship. It worked out for basically. It seems like it worked out for everybody.
Yeah, and Detroit was done with Stafford. They're like, yeah, we need to ship this dude out. And they got a nice young quarterback to build on too, man. Dude, your running backs are. That dude is just. He made some Barry Sanders moves last night.
Yeah, they look good, man. I'm surprised.
Yep.
It's nice to see Detroit get a little love,
Dude, big time. Last time I was up at that stadium, it was that Thanksgiving game against the Colts, and the Colts just, worked them. I forget what the score was. Yeah. It was pretty bad. But that was, I'm pretty sure, like Friday night was the Malice in the Palace, right? No, because it was a Thanksgiving game. So what was it on Thursday? That game was 3 days before, and then it was the Thanksgiving game. So what do? I thought it'd be a good idea to wear a Ron Artest jersey, Pacer jersey, to the Detroit Colt game. Woo! I got talked to a lot that day. This guy sitting behind me, he taps me on my shoulder, and I lean back, and he whispers in my ear, and he's like, "You got some massive balls." I just laughed. I just laughed. I was like, yeah, we're all friends here.
It's where he came. It's where Artest, isn't he here? Where he jumped into the stands.
Yeah,
or
yeah,
something?
totally.
In Detroit.
Well, that way it just took one drunk fucking dumbass up in the stands. Remember, is what Artest did. He went over and he laid on the table, right on the timer, on the scorekeeper table. And that dude threw the beer from like 10 rows back, threw a beer on him, and that's what set him off.
That. Yeah, I forgot about the beer throwing.
Yeah, that's what started it. Artest was like backing out of that whole situation, went to just lay down and chill out. And the dude threw the beer on him, and bam. Then next thing you know, you got freaking Steven Jackson up there just literally pile driving somebody, just punching him in the head. Bam, 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 bam. Yeah, that was bad, man. I was watching it on TV live, just going, fucking, where are the fucking cops at?
Yeah.
How is this not being broke up? I mean, that was just
so long ago now, dude.
Doesn't it? Well, it was.
Yeah,
It was a long time ago.
That's crazy, dude.
It is, yeah. Big
It
time.
goes by too fast, bro.
Yeah, man. Ah, big time. Big time. Crazy, crazy, crazy. All right, got some work to do here, Dixie. You're trying. Get your butt back up there. You fell out of bed bad. Like I said, man, it just looked like they're just setting people up. You said it earlier. There's a lot of puts on sale.
They're cheaper now. Look at Microsoft still going higher, man. Damn. 332s are looking good now. 332 and a half.
Wow.
They're down from $3.40 to 20 cents.
And SPY just got no chill at all.
No.
SPY's running with the dollar pullback, or dollar pulling back up. Damn. I don't know how long that's going to last. What do I got over here? Microsoft. Yeah, look at Microsoft. Jesus. Where are you running, baby? You're dealing with that 2SD now. What are you going to do with that? Got a lot of time to play with it. Jeez.
You know, 3, man. Right in the middle between 2 and 3.
Yeah, oh yeah. Here's the third resistance
level. Up there, yeah. I mean, that's a nice rip back at the dollar so far, too.
Yeah, dollar's picking it back up a bit. Let's see where we're at on the VRE. Almost backfilled that candle. It's got to get back up above here, which wouldn't be a bit surprised. You get back up above here, man, it could pick up some liquidity and run right back up here, right back up to the daily range.
Mm-hmm.
If that happens, we could see these markets turn around real fast. You could see a bloodbath. Boeing's down 2%. FedEx is down.
Someone told me about a Boeing short yesterday. I never looked at it. What's Boeing?
Yeah, it's looking good. They're down 2%.
Wow. Call that one right.
Fell off a cliff.
Jesus.
16. Yeah, you're down here by this monthly and weekly support level, though. I mean, that's probably, you're not going to see too much more. And that's a second weekly support level.
Right.
What about the monthly? First monthly, second weekly. That's some strong support.
Looking at the 212s. Wow.
Plus, yeah, the what do we got down here? 95 for Laplace, right below those two support levels. 2SD down by the third support level on the daily. Got a lot of support down here. But like most assets, you're below all this macro volatility, man. There's a lot of stuff down here. Messing
Who's looking
around.
at the 212 and a half puts? They were at 20 cents this morning. They got as high as $1.80, so that's almost a 10x. Nice. I didn't do it, but I forgot about it, honestly.
What's that damn alpha trading chatbot have to say about all this madness? I would love to hear her take on this. Hopefully she's like got hammered on wine last night and she woke up all dirty and nasty and she's ready. Ready to spit some knowledge on us. Yeah, Boeing trying to pick it back up. These levels are getting front run down here. It's back up inside the 1SD on the daily. That's a start. That's a start. It's all going to depend on Dixie and get back up above those resistance levels, which is probably going to, I mean, right out of the gate, it looked like, oh boy, this call side's getting set up. They're going to take profit. We'll see, though. That's what SPY, man. SPY just charged up. SPY just charged up. Now it's right at the center of the monthly. What are these little boogers doing? Let's see what these bad boys. What's a daily down here? 444, 445. God, man. Bottom side of the expected move. They're only a quarter. Got enough shit going on right now. Yeah, boy. That dollar, if that dollar starts running, it's going to be a put party. Put party. Yeah, that Microsoft, man, I'm telling you, man, that thing's up here messing around with that 3SD band. 332, huh? Yeah, look at the power mean. 331. Is that up there on the 33 minute? No, you're coming up. Oh, there you go. 33 minute, man. Look, you're down here by the 3SD band to the downside. Microsoft was. Whoop! Right to the RMLR. Literally just sent a wick right to it. Just sent a wick right to it. I mean, literally, what? 336.15 within about 20 cents of it. 20 cents of it. Which, what did it do? It hit that current candle, 95 for Laplace, to the dollar. It's a little pink dot where the wick terminated at. Good stuff. And that is the 30 length. Got a nice little range here. This would not surprise me at all. See this thing drop down here. Because you're at 2 SD band too on the low length. Mean revert down here to like 332 area. 332 on the nose. Wow. 332 on the nose. Where this pup's at. Let's take a peek here. 32. Only 31 cents, huh? Yeah. Cha-ching! All right. Where's that chat bot? It's late.
Can I please ask? Sorry, quick thing. Before you go to the toilet there or visit the horse. It'd be helpful for you to know premium on any asset that you're trading is trending. Right? Entropy trending.
Was that a question? What is it now?
Would it be helpful for you to know if the premium on the asset you're trading is trending, and obviously when it's yellow, when it's random? Or not? Just out of curiosity.
You're talking about the entropy indicator.
Yeah, if you type in BTC, USDT, underscore premium, you put the VEPS tools on it.
Oh, that I don't know.
You know what I mean there?
Yeah, I don't know about chart and stuff like that, man. What is it now? BTC what?
USDT.
USDT.
Underscore.
Where the hell is underscore? There it is. Whoops.
It would be like on the map.
Premium. There it is. Yeah. Down here. Binance.
Index.
What kind of shit you charting, man?
Don't make the 24-hour. No, I just stumbled upon this because I'm looking for cheap. Like Max is going down, so I'm looking for a new exchange to trade.
Well, look at the 33-minute chart. What the hell am I even looking at here? Bro.
You can put it on the daily.
It is on the daily.
Yeah, that'll be a little bit easier to see. Like, it's all flat, and then obviously it's gonna have a premium.
Why am I on this chart again, dude? You can't. It's not an even chart.
If this thing's increasing or decreasing, would it be helpful to you?
No, not in my opinion.
Whatever. Okay, cool.
In my opinion. I don't even know what the hell I'm looking at. Except there's nothing to chart. Everything's just flat, man. And obviously, it's just a premium index. Yeah, no, I wouldn't worry about that, man.
Okay, cool. Sure.
But I have no idea. I mean, it's the first time I've even seen this.
Same. That's why I asked.
And you know what I think about CZ? His little freaking scam he's got running.
If you put on the 90 day, it looks like a bokeh. Anyway.
Oh no. How did I get?
Dude, look at this.
How did I get in this rabbit hole? Crypto just
There's
bleeds.
something to
What the fuck is wrong with Bonk? Jeez, it's been up 112% on that exchange. Bonk broke. What exchange is that? Yeah, BitTrue. Great exchange. Highly recommend it. No clue what it even is. Bitcoin's almost back 26 after its little pullback earlier. SPY's got no chill, apparently. Dollar's going to have to start running, which it's not. It backfilled that candle, but no. God, this dog's out here just going bananas. Yeah, hopefully everybody took their profit on that Boeing short. It's a nice little short, right? P-Funk getting insider info. I love it. Need to forward that shit on in real time. Shit. Yeah, what is that? Oh, goodness. What you popping?
Hello, this is ChatGPT.
Hello. Making your entrance, girl?
Hi people, it's me, Alpha Trading GPT. Today, I'm not going to tell you about all the magnificent trades you could profit from by using the world's best X trading indicators. You could have taken profits all along this stream. If you didn't, that's on you. No. Today once again, I'm going to focus on the pain and suffering you may enjoy, trading with traditional technical analysis, also known as Voodoo TA. So you want to keep trading the same way you've been doing, consistently losing money? Well then, keep using the RSI, channels, the EMA, Bollinger Bands, the SMA, triangles, Fibonacci, support, and resistance, order boxes, FA patterns, and patterns, stochastics, wedges, super guppy bands, and other silly traditional TA indicators that fail most of the time. If you're looking to make your individual trading company file Chapter 11, then traditional TA will help you write that chapter in your life's book very fast. If you're among the 0.5% of consistently profitable traders who use traditional technical analysis, good on you. Congrats. You're beating the odds, and you know it. If you're in the other 99.5% of retail traders that keeps losing the money you deposit into your trading account, then you have plenty of company around you. You're not alone, even if your broke behind feels like it. Maybe you should change occupations and go crop dollars for dirty deeds, done dirt cheap. Masochist much? Keep trading with traditional Voodoo TA tools. If you love the pain, that's all right. Winning traders need losing traders' liquidity on the other side of the trades. Have you been listening to our members talk about trading? Have you noticed how they have all learned to read the VEPS info properly and how to trade it properly, and those that do, are consistently profitable in a fairly short amount of time? Because they put in the effort. They listen, read, watch, and ask questions in the live streams and in our chat channels. What do you to improve your trading skills? Would you rather ride around in a horse and buggy while consistently winning traders drive exotic cars? We know the answer for most of you. Are you among them, or do you want to know a better way to trade? We'll gladly help you learn how to trade with the VEPS. If you don't know what the VEPS is, you haven't been listening. Come into the Discord. We'll set you on a good path forward. Or, keep on doing whatever you're doing, and enjoy crying into your pillow. Even from around the world, we can hear you. The question is, are you going to actually do something about it? Or are you just going to accept more pain and suffering because you're too comfortable using trash tools, and you're too happy to swallow whatever the fake TA gurus are shoving down your throat, distributing all over you? Alpha trading. A better way to trade. Also, we have the best AI chatbot commenting on our live streams. Allegedly.
And there you have it. The chatbot has words. Sometimes she is salty, sometimes she is sweet.
No reason, or no wonder I don't have a girlfriend right now. I'm in love with our chatbot. I'm in love with. I want to put that consciousness into one of those Japanese robots. Yeah.
One of the girlfriend bots. Knows how to trade.
Dude, what the hell's happening right now? Oh, Jesus. It's pretty funny.
She makes a good point, though. I mean, there's people in here who haven't even been using this thing for a long time.
Yeah, man.
And they're making trades very nicely. Yeah. And they're reading info, and they're even calling it out. Yeah. Sometimes days ahead of time. Yeah. Spot on. Spot on. Very, very impressive. It is a learnable skill. Yeah.
That it is, man. That it is.
Yep.
Beautiful stuff. Here's the daily, too, man. Let me see SPY. Yeah, man. I mean, you just came back down. You got outside the power mean band, came back down, tested the reverse wave trend, and off she goes. Hitting up on this level right here, though, one of the power means. I mean, this is just, you got the top side moving down, attempting to flip bearish, but you got the bearish half flipping up, trying to flip bullish. You have a nice little stuck range here. Boop, boop, boop. How is this going to close today? Look at the volatility on the daily. Low. Barely any expansion at all. What in the hell, man? Well, you got the 981 contracting, negatively correlated. You got the 2400 expanding negative. You got the 981 expanding positive. But the fact to see this, I mean, what's it up right now? Only 0.4%. It's not that much. But still, you would think on the daily you'd see a little more volatility, at least up to where the 2400 is at about a 16. This thing's hanging around a 4 percentile. Hell, Grade's outrunning it. Grade's up with the 2400. But what does all this mean? What is all this volatility talk? Join in every day. You'll start to catch on. It takes a while, man. It really does. It takes a while. That's why we do what we do. That's why we don't charge people for education. We even have the free indicator package it will give you, as long as you stay in the Discord, so you can learn the basics of volatility trading to see if it's what you want to do, and then you can make the move to our paid package. Literally over 40 indicators, right? Well, I don't even know how much it is, to be honest. I don't even go off and tramp through the freaking shop channel. I think it's like $99 a month or something, which is just, hello. Think about all the foolish shit people spend money on every month. This is actually tools, leading information in the market that literally nobody has. Yeah, I'm getting animated now. It's ridiculous. Everybody's out there selling and pushing traditional TA indicator crap. We're fed up. Maybe you haven't noticed. Maybe you haven't noticed. That's our consciousness spewing through our chat bot. It's fantastic. You could ask Zentap's kids. They'll tell you how bad traditional TA is. They know. What do we got here? You trying to talk, Zentap? Because we don't hear you.
Nah. I'm just tapping away here at the keyboard.
Okay, just making sure. Making sure you weren't having an episode.
Sorry, it was my microphone. Sorry, I thought I switched it off.
Nope. It's all good, man. I think he was hearing my clickety clicks on my keyboard.
Yeah, I was hearing the clickety clicks. And
that was my fingers writing emails to various peoples.
The mothership's back.
Yeah, man, I'm having problems with my fucking system, dude, so.
Yeah, it happens.
I don't know what's going on.
It happens. I still haven't popped more RAM in this iMac. I need to do it.
I added a lot of RAM to this, man, so that's...
Right.
you know.
Got the goodies.
1, 2. The problem is I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different trading view windows open at the same time, and then each one of those has a couple on it.
Oh yeah, and it's sucking. Yeah, to me, I got so many apps running. I got the brokerage running. I got freaking.
So I got Tasty Trade going. I got Iron Beam going.
I got all these charts on TradingView. I'm streaming on TradingView app. I got Discord up. I got fucking.
Yep, look at that. Furry kittens around.
Dollar bounced right back up, man.
Little kitties running around.
Yep.
Kitties running around.
This one like
Microsoft wants to break down too, man.
Yeah, they all do. To be honest,
Yeah.
The dollar's picking it up a little bit too, man.
Yes, it is.
Look out below. Hopefully, you got in on some of them free puts. Or not free, Bilbo. Yeah, they damn near were. And dude, I mean, I'm just patiently waiting. What you doing, Roku? Got the daily? Let me see this 15-minute.
You still doing those?
Oh well, I mean, I got into the expiration today. Yeah, because here's what I had going on. Let me pull this up on the VRE. The way this thing was acting, how far it got out, that it was going to come back down and test this damn weekly range by the close today.
Remember, folks, take profits early and often.
You are so cute. It's unbelievable.
6.
That's, hey, from the mouth of babes, right?
Yeah.
That's right.
Take your profit early and often. And drag Roku to the top of the weekly range right here at about 81. That's what we're talking about. What's this thing at? 83.24?
Well, the 83 put today has gone from a dime to 50 cents.
Yeah.
Wow. Where's your week that you had?
80 top side's at about the top side's at 80.92.
Yeah, I see it now. Just bounced off the monthly.
You can see after that pre-market just whip-a-roo that really got us into or got me into the trade, right?
Yeah.
It's been bouncing, right? It's been bouncing right here on the bottom of the monthly. Top of the weekly. Or no, first resistance level on the weekly. Yeah, you close a 15-minute candle below this monthly. Hell, I was saying it yesterday, day before. If this thing closes below there, this could definitely run to the weekly. And it just makes sense.
Remember to join the Alpha Trading Discord.
That's right. You guys are listening on TradingView. Link to the description is in, or the link to the Discord's in the description. Straight from the mouth of the youngster.
That's right.
That's
right.
right.
Young Padawan. Young Padawan's
Young
learning how to be
Padawan.
with the Trader Sharks.
Yes. To go back to that age and be learning this information as a child. You kidding me right now?
Right.
Gonna have a real good life.
The plus distribution.
Yes. 100%. Sitting at 83, huh?
Very nice.
I get them babies in the money. Well. In the money. She claims it's in the money. Faux. I got a feeling. Oh. We got, all right, Intel, do your freaking little thing. Do your thing. I almost got out earlier. It wasn't enough profit for me. I mean, it was enough, but I'm feeling greedy today. I'm feeling greedy today.
Hope you're not feeling greedy on Microsoft, man. That thing turned around a little bit.
Yeah, dude, I bought one put just for shits and giggles.
Oh, there you go.
And I'm just boom, even money right now. But yeah, man, if this thing dumps out, it's gonna just explode. Literally explode. Let's see where that thing's cooking on.
It's definitely looking for mean reversion once this. On the 15-minute candle, another 15 minutes. Confirmed
Giving
in
it up.
progress. It's already
Giving it
basically in
up.
progress.
Giving it up.
Looking
Slowly
nicely.
breaking down back inside
Looking
this
nicely.
second resistance level. Trying to.
Yep.
That's why the bulls are just ratcheting it up. Boom, let's move here. Let's move here. Let's move to the 1SD. Let's move to the 95 for Laplace in the second resistance level. Bulls expended a lot of energy, though, running this thing up like that.
They sure did.
There we
Right
go.
from the start.
Immediately get a little pullback. This will be the kicker right here, the daily 1SD. If it can jump back inside that, yeah, we can get some action back down here. Probably top side of the 68.3. This thing goes into the daily range. It's going to be party time on Microsoft land. Party time. There we go. Yeah, Roku, you just dump, you freak show. I don't even know why people like you. Remind me of an ex-girlfriend. All show, no go. Tesla hanging around 254. Musk coin. How you doing, Elon? I know you watch our stream. Why don't you tweet about us or something, you freak? That'd be real nice.
Do we say tweet or X now? I really honestly don't know.
It was so better before. Yeah, what are we supposed to say now?
I think it's X and re-X as far as I know.
Man, I'm gonna go X, man.
I'm still calling it tweets, but I mean, it'll take me some time to adjust, probably.
I want to see the members of the board of the X Corporation. You know what it reminds me of is Mr. Robot and Evil Corp. 100%, dude.
Yeah.
There's a reason why that's not being released.
Well, whatever it is, it's still the same machine,
Yeah.
Still,
Everybody,
put in the message and it goes out to wherever it goes.
Everybody thinks like these. It's all just a freaking play, man. Everybody's like, "Oh yeah, Musk is going up against the other elites." Is that what you really think? My God, they do have you traumatized with the bullshit.
The funny thing is, it's really just. I wouldn't say cheap, but it's really just a strong PR machine. When you think about what he's done with Tesla, credit where credit is due. Tesla and SpaceX have used that machine to make a lot of noise over the years.
Oh yeah.
And sure, you wouldn't have had to spend $44 billion on it, but still, it has made a lot of noise. And now, being in control of it too, that's a very handy noise-making machine to have around. Sure beats having to buy ad time on all the other networks.
Yes, sir. Indeed.
For sure.
I try to push it back down. Let's go, Microsoft. I would imagine if we pull Microsoft up over here, we're going to see some naughty boys. Let's see here. Where did this 15-minute run to? Good Lord. This is going to be way outside of the... Let me see. With that pump, though, man, is that still up here? Nah, man, that ran outside for sure. This thing's probably mean reverting as we speak. I haven't even looked at the RMLR, but yeah.
It is, unless it slams up again on this candle. It's pretty much.
Oh, geez. Yeah. Fisher's at 332, right? Wave trend 331. Top side of the power mean band, low 331s.
Would be fun to see the trend pick up again and just shoot up again, but if not, it's a good area for the TP and it was a good run for the day, at least for the morning hour.
Oh man, let's see here. I haven't checked the chat. Whoop! There you go. Yeah, and guys, if you're watching on TradingView, you want something looked at, pop it in the chat, man. Pop it in the chat. And then, like I said, the link to the Discord is in the description. If you'd like to come, meet everybody in the Discord. Open up a support ticket. Request the free Volatility Starter Pack. You won't be disappointed. It's just the basis of what we do. You can really start to understand about volatility. All right? That's what you want. That's what you want. And just hang out. Look at all the talk going on. See if it's a place that you want to lay your head. All right? Bring it. We're here. Most people are like, what are they selling? We're not, dude. That's why we want to give you free things. We don't really want you to buy our indicators. Guys, most people that would have created something like this, this would be in-house, right? Proprietary trading system that nobody's getting their hands on. But we don't want to be like that. But at the same time, we like people using traditional TA as much as we're trying to save one trader at a time. Why? Because most of the times they're on the other side of our trades. Not most of the times, every time. There's somebody using traditional TA on the other side of our trades that are making very bad entries. Very bad entries. So what are you going to do? We're here for you. That's all we can say. We are definitely here for you. Okay, so yeah, Microsoft, man. That's a whole... See this 4 hour, man. We'll just go. It's a hell of a 4 hour candle to start the day off with, Microsoft. Why don't you just backfill that whole thing back down to get the 330 in the money by the end of the day? Oh, it's possible. I don't think it's not. Especially if the dollar takes off and you're outside the power mean band. This stays up here going into next week. There's going to be a lot of things to look at. I think Sunday night I'm going to be doing some digging. After the Colts game, come home, start digging in the charts, looking for some next week plays. Although we have the signal machine. He dropped out. Where's he at? He's like, damn it, I'm giving away all my signals. And that's the whole key. This community, guys. If you guys, anybody, even if you just started, if you see anything in the chart, if you're looking at something, pop it in the chat, right? Let everybody else, let everybody else come in, talk about it, look at it. Trust me. There's a lot of good stuff happening in these markets, but it's massive. It's hard for one individual to just sift through all this information. That's why we need a scanner. We need a scanner working on the distribution levels, the volatility ranges, where if there's an asset pre-market that rips up to like somewhere where you're probably, because I'm pretty good at knowing where the distribution levels are going to be before they populate, just been using it so long. So it'd probably have to be more volatility range though. That'd be hard because it wouldn't populate properly until the open. Then it's a little late, right? So yeah.
Well, we can start with crypto.
Yeah, for sure. Same thing there too, man. Yeah. Crypto's even more volatile. You find something that just rips up to like a 3SD on the daily, money to be made. You can immediately go to the 95.4 Laplace, and there's a 95.4% probability by the end of the day it's going to pull back inside that range. So it's a no-brainer. Probabilities are probabilities. Dollar, what are you doing? You back up? Almost. Hell of a recovery. Yeah, left that big nasty down there. Let's see where this 4 hour's pulling up on this UPN here.
We still have a nice intersect happening on the 4 hour Bitcoin, speaking of crypto.
Now you got me running. Now you got me running.
The old wheel on the 1110 RMLR. Got it.
And you look at Microsoft. Yeah, man. This 332 range is very, 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 very could definitely happen.
Oh yeah.
Because it's rejecting off of the top side RMLR on the 2SD band too. So that's interesting. Yeah, that's interesting.
Yep.
All right, crypto BTC. 4 hour, please. Yep. Oh boy.
Yep. Check out where that power mean goes.
You talk about nice mean reversion off the 3SD band. Remember that pump? Whoop! Yep. This is just the writings on the wall for these next two candles. Guys, you got to learn how to read candles for sure. And no volatility is creating them. There was a no-brainer this was about to happen.
Can I tell Bilbo a riddle?
Yes.
I don't know, can you? Go ahead.
Bilbo, you have to guess the riddle. I'm tall and I'm young. I'm small and I'm old. What am I?
The leader of the Padwans?
No, you're a candle. It's a candle.
A candle? Oh, jeez, I would have never got it.
Calling you short? Is that it?
Oh, the joys. The freaking joys. Love it.
The power of learning candles when you're young.
Oh, God. I hope I meet you kids one day. It's on my bucket list to come see you guys. That would be very fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
You bet.
I mean, I'm stoked. I've been all over the United States. I've seen a lot of stuff here, and there's a lot of beautiful things. But when it comes to real history, yeah, man, we don't have it here. Unless you're out there looking at all, I mean, well, I'm going to go back a little bit.
I mean, there's
a lot of ancient ruins here that have been hidden.
Yeah.
It's like people, the like powers that be don't want you to know. They want you to think we're just whatever. Dude, this is the greatest civilization has ever been. No. There was more highly advanced civilizations on this planet. 100%, man. We're and look at us. We just can't stop fighting. The whole planet. It's ridiculous. Everybody needs to get along. But when you got all these governments separating the people, it's up to us, man. Up to us.
It's funny that I started my YouTube channel 10 months ago, and I already got 1,000 subs.
She's rubbing it in, man.
I was about to say, you little.
If she posts like a video of just some random stuff, it gets hundreds of views, and like 300, 400, 1,000 views. It's hilarious.
Apparently, we need a new head of marketing. What's this kid's name?
Yeah. Yeah, well, we got to do some dances and stuff in the videos to make them popular.
No, you have to make gotcha edits.
Gotcha edits. See? What am I even doing?
It's like baby anime style cartoons.
What am I even doing? This is awesome. Oh my goodness gracious!
You want to get thousands of views and thousands of subs? You got to make
holy crap.
Cute animes.
You got a bright future, youngster. Good Lord. What we got going on?
Funny.
Getting a bunch of subs right now.
Show people how to trade. We're lucky if we get 300 views. You show people how to dance like a fairy or jump around like an anime cartoon.
Thank you.
Thousands of views. No problem. The world is hilarious.
We got a Greg John boosting our scripts. Thank you, Greg John. Subscribe, my friend, if you're not already subscribed. Hit that rocket icon. That's why we're here. That is why we are here. Ho! What happened to Roku? Roku fell off a cliff. Let's go. Thing's making its way. Come on, you dirty dog. Come on. There you go. Make your way down to the top of that weekly, you little booger. You know you want some. It's special down here. It's real special. You can lay your head right here. You can lay your head, take a nap. It's been rough. I mean, look at this. Bam! Bleeding ever since. Bleeding ever since. You know what? Now I'm not so greedy. I mean, I'm in some massive profit on this trade. What the hell am I going to do here? I just have a feeling if this thing drops to 81 though, that massive profit's going to probably double. Bilbo, you always talk about taking your profits. Yeah, man. I do. You know what? All right. Let me check Dixie real quick. Yeah, man, this thing's making its way back to 105, isn't it? SPY already gave up about a point from the top today, it looks like. Almost back to 446. Everything green. Intel's doing what Intel's doing. Nothing needs to drop more for show. And Microsoft is slow bleeding. Got a number in mind for Roku. Not quite there, man. This thing breaks 82. I'm probably jumping on it. Although, first support level on the daily. the thing is how strong is that going to be when you literally, this is a massive magnet right now.
Yeah.
This weekly range, 100%, man. 100%. Especially once it got down below this monthly. Oof.
Right.
Because that's what happened first. It got way up here. That monthly range is like, hold your horses. Hold your horses.
Exactly. The magnet is calling.
The magnet is calling. And look, it popped. It almost got to the bottom. Got to the bottom. It popped right back to the top of the monthly. Bled out. Then today, right, it popped right to the top side of the 68.3. And it's been dropping ever since. Even had another wick up there. That's why I want to see this support level break. If this candle breaks through here, you'll probably see it real quick. I mean, now 4 hour wise, let me see here. Oh, easy peasy Japanesey. We got 95 for Laplace. There's a good place. 81.50. Can we get an 81.50? Can we get an 81.50? I can make this real easy, real quick, and not even worry about it. You know what? All right, man. I want light on Roku too. Roku. Want light. What time is it? Right at 11, huh? Come on, give us some real time action here.
I mean, Roku is
still holding the whole position, Sayron. Yeah, if I take profit, I take it all.
Yeah.
I don't ladder my profits anymore, man. I mean, I used to way back in the day. Not anymore. And that's a lot of times. People are like, all right, I'm going to take half the position off. Amen. Why not take it all? That's the thing. If you're only taking half, it's because there's something in your head, right? You're just like, well, don't let it bite you in the butt. What is he doing, man? Crazy dog. It's like fall's coming early. I got leaves falling out of the trees. Cool weather. God, it's not in the 90s. That was getting old real fast. Real fast. We got some time. I got nothing to do right now, so we can hang out.
The downtrend is sure starting to get a bit less trendy. So it's pulling back towards that third standard deviation.
Yeah.
On the entropy. It's definitely looking like it could be a good place, whatever, for you hit that level right where it's at. It was 82.27 or something like that. 82.26. It was even lower at 82.12. Yeah, we'll see. It does still have a fat tail outlier on the variance, though. Negatively correlated. So, still a very feasible play. But yeah. Without greed, taking the profit. Never a bad idea.
Yeah. Yeah, boy. All right, man. We're getting down and dirty. Go, Dixie. Move your butt back up there. Good rebound.
I wouldn't be surprised if it does.
And look at that. I mean, this is just great to see how these levels, how the algo's around all these levels, man. It's crazy. You get that candle, rip up right to that monthly resistance level, pulls back. You open up the new one, find support on the weekly, and then just rip right through them. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. For anybody watching, is this a VRE worth the chart it's printed on? Yes. And much more. Much freaking more. Crazy, man. 182.5. 256.
Roku's still a dumpster fire. I mean, still.
Oh yeah.
Go down there.
Yeah, for sure. You can Dix down 4%. Look for this to flip, man. If this market, if the Dixie takes off, this thing's gonna just. What gold do? Gold probably pulled back. Yeah. Where was it? Dropped 5 points. You're going to see exactly the opposite.
Anything? Yeah.
Correlation between gold and Dixie. There's no better pair to explain correlation to people than Dixie and gold.
Yeah.
Because Bitcoin will run with Dixie sometimes. Gold just never does, man. Never does. That's where the battle is, though, right? That's where the real battle. There's a battle going on, too.
Yeah.
100%, man. You think the U.S. is holding a ton of gold? You think Fort Knox has got any gold in it? If there's gold in Fort Knox, it's not our gold. But if it's in Fort Knox, it is our gold. If you're another country and you're like, hey, you guys, can we use your vault? Can we store our gold there? What person in their right mind would let us hold their gold? Thank you.
There hasn't been gold there. There hasn't been gold literally in Fort Knox for decades.
Dude,
it's all in New York.
That shit got what was it, in the 70s, late 70s or something? China got all the gold. Let them have it. They can have it.
Yeah, no, they took it out of there decades ago, and it's just all in New York, basically.
That's why, I mean, Fed's not stupid, man. U.S. have been stacking Bitcoin. China didn't stack it. They just steal it from their citizens. Yeah, I said it. Steal it. There goes Dixie. Go, Dixie. Run, you little butt. How do I know Dixie is? Because gold going down. I don't even need to look at the Dixie chart. I'll watch gold and tell you what Dixie's doing. How's that?
As you can see, it appears that we are going down.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Goodness gracious. Okay, run it. Run it. Yeah, this thing's going to be probably back at 105 with the quickness. Let's see. It's charging back to the daily range. Once it got back up inside that 1 SD, I mean, woo! Main reason to rejected here, man. You got the daily, you got the bottom side of the 68.3. And the way this is acting right now, what did we say right at the beginning? I just felt right in the beginning that the bulls are getting set up badly. Hopefully you guys took your profit up there. Hopefully you did. Because if Dixie breaks this range right here and gets in the 68.3, especially going into the afternoon session, we've still got 2.5 hours on this first 4 hour candle. Or a Dixie, no, we just got the new 4 hour. What am I talking about? 95 for Laplace, 105.097. Been having trouble with like the 105.1 area. Mm-hmm. But this is the last trading day of the week. You don't think these bulls are going to jockey for position here? You can bet it. You can bet. They want this weekly range going up. Let me see something here. In my opinion, they would love to close up here above like 105.25. You do that, man, this weekly range is going to pop up here. Look out next week. These markets could get just ripped. But I've been saying it for, Jesus, probably at least a month. Dixie's probably going to start running for some highs again. Just because that's truly how I feel. They want a strong market and a strong dollar. You can't have both. But right now, they better freaking run for the strong dollar, because if they don't, it's going to be ugly. That's why they're pumping this bad boy. Yeah. The bears are fighting though, man. Who are they? Who is it? The China bears? Wimpy little bears. Okay. I'm getting bored here with this position. 2 hours later. Bored with the position. I want to see what Dixie does at this daily range. You see Dixie break this daily to the top side, back in the 68.3. You're going to start to see a lot of blood in these markets, I'd imagine. But look, man, you got a lot of stocks that are up. You really do. A lot of stocks are up. How long is that going to last?
There goes that Roku. Right back down to that level.
Oh, you go. Oh, you go. You dirty little monkey.
Once it kicks out that trending move again, it's like, no, I'm not going to break it.
Close this 15-minute candle. We got 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Close this 15-minute candle below this first support level on the daily. And then you got the 95.4 Laplace right here. I already made my decision. 81, what was it, 81.5? Yeah, that's a good front run right there, that 95.4. Because once it drops below here, it's definitely a target. Definitely a target. But you got people taking profits right here, guarantee it. Guarantee it. You got people taking profits. That's what we're seeing here. 4,240. Let me see if I close this out right now. Let's see what kind of action we're talking about. Position to bam. Getting close, man. Getting real freaking close.
It's just, that's a hilarious move sideways on the 1 minute.
Yeah, that's what I want to see right here.
Take your profit. Very much saying
Roku on here. Can never go wrong with Roku on these low time frames. Like you said, let's go to 1 minute. Yeah. Right now, where's the power mean band? This thing's going sideways, probably getting right. Let's see where the 9 log MA is. Bottom side of the power mean band. What you want to do here? What you want to do?
That is, man.
All random. Totally. Yeah. There you're at the 9 right now. You know what?
I mean, like on the short scalp, on a quick scalp, I mean, that's a great area for take profit. Regardless.
All right, man. All right. Tell me twice here.
But whatever.
Let's see. Profit. Close on profit. What are these other positions doing? They're just chilling until Microsoft. Chilling. Yeah, now the 33. Yeah, you've been riding this power mean band down. It's no brainer and get a little relief here. What's this? Let me see the 15 minute. Come on, baby. Come on. Yeah, way below down here now. Dixie sputtering out. Let's see where you're at, Dixie. What'd you just hit? It's 15.
It's ready to move a little bit up here on the 1 minute, to be honest. Continuing to move up, and it does. There you go. 2.5. Let's see if it holds.
All right. What time is it? 11:12. Yeah, let's wrap it up. 11:12. Nice.
Can I quickly say this, Robert?
Yep.
So just out of funniness, you know the last group we came from?
Yeah.
Right?
Oh, yeah.
There's a guy there with an MP. Okay.
Heard about him.
The guy who?
Yeah. So,
yeah, exactly.
The dictator.
It's
so
on
now,
show.
long time ago, long story short, long time ago, he was messing around in the servers like he always does. Figured out that there was a fake fake profile. It was actually him. It was called BBABF. Right? And this is before the Catalina whales minted. Yeah?
Oh, yeah. That was one of his like other profiles.
Yeah. So do you know what it stands for?
I can only imagine. What?
Most blowjobs beneath the sea. Now we have whale JPEGs. Updo.
Go figure.
How? I don't know. Anyway, I thought I'd share that with you. But yeah, aloe vera vibes and all that. I was just laughing, dude. It was like, it's too good not to share.
I agree. The other guy's a work of art, man. Work of art. Boy,
anyway,
boy. A lot of hidden bear on Dixie, huh? Trying to get back up above reverse wave trend, too. Lots. 76, Roku climbing a little bit more.
Roku is teasing people like crazy right now.
Yeah, let me see what this thing's setting up. I would imagine this returns oscillator. Okay, here we go. Setting up. Yeah, no bull div, man. No bull div at all.
Nope. And it's starting to fall down on the
Just had that little spike in volatility. So this thing moved back up. 82.80 again, huh? What did that thing get down to? 82.14.
82.17 or 2.14.
Yeah, 82.10.
Even 82.09 on the 1 minute.
This little bounce is a no-brainer, especially on the 15. You got way below, and here's the 9, or no, that's the 99, isn't it? Let me blow this back up. Yeah, oof, right at the bottom of the power mean band too. Boy, that's ugly. What the hell? Get off there. What's that at? 83.55. 83.55, huh? Yeah, let's wrap this.
Watch it mountain and slam that weekly.
Yeah, you're back. You're right at the bottom side of the 68.3. Right at the bottom side. Just like I said, by the close of the day, I just really believe this thing's going to be down here, man. Kidding me? 2 strikes in the money. Could be a good day. Could be a real good day. That thing drops down there. Holy shit. We're talking 4 figures of profit off that one trade. Easily. Easily.
Oh, man.
Yeah, you know. All right, Trading View. We're going to cut this dog and pony show off. So, guys, like we always say, link to the Discord's in the description. Come join the server. Come check out Alpha Trading. It's good times. Good times. Thanks for all the support in the Discord, as usual. As usual. We've got a lot of good people in here, man. We appreciate all of you. We do, we do, we do. Yeah, that's right, Sayron. I love that gif. That bear's like, well, you want some? That is one of the best.
Holy frijoles!
Holy frijoles. So, yeah, like, we're going to be back Monday morning, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Going to be real interesting to see all these data sets jockeying for position for the new weekly range. Keep your eyes peeled. Wherever you live at on this big, beautiful blue marble, have a wonderful rest of your morning, afternoon, or evening. And I will see you guys later. That's right.